So now talk about a special day which was not that expensive or on which you didn't have to spend a lot of money. So please.
Well, special days are very important in our life. As you know, in our culture, we have to celebrate the different occasions such as anniversaries, birthdays, and weddings.
Right.
So today I want to share my own experience of my kid's birthday. It was happened in a few months back. We decided to celebrate in a new restaurant which we nearly opened also. So I called to the restaurant to book my table and for all these celebrations to celebrate. And I was very amazed when I entered in the hall. They decorated it very well. They also offered me free cake and some sweets and the gifts for the kids. And I was got amazed when I asked for the check and they offered me a free cake service and the decoration. They said that it was all we made for the different occasions. So it's none of your youth to pay for that. You have just to pay for the food. I was quite amazed that how they are offering these meals. But I was also got shocked when I paid the bill and they charged me 15% discount as I paid from the card. So that make
Okay.
me a very special day that I managed to manage.
Very good. Overall, you spoke well, and the selection of topic, what you spoke, that was ideal. Very good for that. Although there were some grammatical mistakes, but overall, your fluency is good, your pronunciation is good, even the selection of words, vocabulary, that is fine. Just focus a little on grammar. Okay. Do teenagers spend much more money than before?
Yes, teenagers nowadays spending more much money because they are not earning it by their own. The parents are giving the monies and they don't know the real value of money, how to spend and how they know that they will get the pocket money often sometime in twice in a week or twice in a month. So they like to share the spend.
Excellent. Very good. Keep it up like this. Okay.
Thank
You
you.
got very good cheerful style of talking.
Thank you.
Excellent. आपके साथ वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूँगा